Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to find out your first ever friend on Steam. Also, sorry for not uploading as much. I've been focusing on grinding CS lately and I finally managed to hit my goals. With that being said, let's get into the video. First step, you have to copy your profile link in order to find out your Steam ID 64. Also, make sure you have your friend list on public so the website we're gonna use can examine your friend list. Once you have done that, head over to the website called steamidfinder.com. All the links will be given down below in the description. In this box, you have to paste your profile link that you copied or your username, whichever one you want. Click Get Steam ID, and there you can see a bunch of information on your account. Right here you can see Steam ID 64, and that's the one we're looking for. Copy the number from that place and go to this website link in the description. Paste your Steam ID 64, click Load, and it will show you what you're looking for. As it shows, this guy right here is my first ever friend on Steam. But it will not always be correct if you have removed your first friend already, just like in my case. This website is only sorting the friends by time, so it's only showing the person that I've been friends for the longest time on top, because I have already removed my first friend. And that's it for the video. Comment if you're confused about anything, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.